Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. And for this one, as you can tell by the title and the picture of the thumbnail, this is a special one for me, man. I hit this pair off of Union. I've been waiting patiently for this shoe to arrive, and it's finally here, man. So it was a good dub. That Saturday was able to hit. I was on my way to the mall to pick up another shoe. I forget what it was, but ended up looking at my phone and hit. So whoo, straight from Union, straight from the source. So we're gonna dive right into it. I'm not wasting no time. I want to see these in hand and put them on feet. You hear me? Before we get started, I want to say, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OG subscribers, man, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this review. So this unboxing review and on feet, we got a triple threat. Like this shoe is a triple threat, a triple collab, if you will. So let me go ahead and slice this open real quick, and we're gonna get into it. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Nice and snug in the box, man. It's almost hard to get it out. All right, there we go. Cool, to get this stuff out the way. All right, cool. So let's dive right into how Trey Songz say, I'm about to dive in. Yeah. So all blacked out box, no special box this time. All blacked out box with the Nike on there, Nike on this side. What does it say on here? Oh, 1985 Air Jordan 1. It's all blacked out, but it's on there if you can see. All right, got the size and label over here, and it reads Air Jordan 1 RTR High OG SP Black, White, Varsity Red. It's size 10. I always go a size 10 in my Air Jordan 1s. That's my true to size 10 in Air Jordan 1s. Flip the lid. Nothing really on the top of the lid. You got some stamps, things of that nature. You get this blue paper, and it says Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment on the paper in black. That up, and then the shoes will come individually wrapped. Go ahead and unwrap them. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Let me unwrap this one here. That paper back in the box. I don't care about the paper at all. And then inside your box, you should get a YCM green sticker and the compass looking stamp as well. So that's enough in the box, man. I'm trying to get into the kicks. The box is a little banged up, but it's all right. It'll do. All right, so that's enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks, man. Dang, my kicks is all like bent up. Dang. All right, hold on, let me fix it a little bit, man. Sheesh. All right, my tongue is like bent up real crazy, so we're gonna have to fix that. See how my tongue look from being in that box? All bent up? That's crazy. All right, let me fix that a little bit. All right, just let me take a look at them, man, real quick. Just in hand, the leather. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Yeah. Good smell too. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment Collab Varsity Red Royal.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
All right, so let's get into it. Let's start with the outsole. That varsity blue outsole. Classic Jordan 1 herringbone outsole. Moving up to the midsole, you got that sail midsole. And then you have the writing right here on the midsole. So on the sole, it has SP26-MNJDLS-473-Chris-Hiroshi tooling code Air Jordan 1, so AJ1-NTFBP-2- looks like 0S, or it could be a OS or QS, but that's what you have right there on the writing, on the sole part right there. And then as we move up to the upper, of course, you got that on a heel, you got that varsity blue. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, right? Varsity blue? Yeah. No. I'm saying varsity blue. I'm sorry, I've been calling this varsity blue. I don't know if it's varsity blue or it's just royal blue, but it doesn't really say on the box. But again, you got that on the heel right here, on the back of the heel, that blue, and then you have the Fragment embossed, not sticker, embossed. Like if you get them one that's a sticker, I don't know if it might be Fugazi, but this is straight from Union and it's embossed, if you can see right there on the heel. Embossed Union, or sorry, embossed Fragment design sign. Nice. And if you look, I see like a yellow, I mean that's classic with the Union ones, but you can see inside of the material around the swoosh, like going in between the materials and the leather, you can kind of see like yellowing in between like the leather, so it's like outlined in like yellow. So that's like a classic Union thing. It's just the way these are made, man. They're very well made. Here's one of my favorite parts. You know, black toe Air Jordan 1 is one of my favorites. So you got that black toe going around the medial and the lateral side. Black swoosh, side panel white, tumbled, very nice tumbled leather on the side panel. Moving up to the upper, that's where you have that varsity red. You got that big Air Jordan Wings logo, elaborated, I like to call it, in black, which is fire, and that's also embossed as well into the leather material. And you can see, man, the material is very nice, man, very plush. If you own any Jordan 1 Unions, you know the materials, they don't really, you know, stiff you when it comes to the material. So you got a little Union/LA tag right here in black, right below the wing. Stitching along the upper right here, that's pretty common. Stitching along the tongue. Did my tongue dirty, I gotta fix my tongue, man. But yeah, so you got that two-tone tongue, you got the black going up into the sail, you got the stitching along right here along the front of the tongue, and then you have Nike Air in red, and you got the like exposed sponge look on the tongue as well. So you can see that. Pretty cool, man. These are dope, man, for sure. And you got a black ankle collar at the top, and that's in like a suede. That's not leather, definitely suede. And the laces that they have in here right now are, I think these are the two-tone laces. I think these are the laces I probably just go with. I think these look the cleanest in the shoe. So you can see the laces are white with the black two-tone, and then inside what you get is shoe paper. You get an extra pair of spare laces, which is that classic Union yellow pair of spare laces, I believe. Yeah, so here are the other ones here. I know it came with 3 spare laces. So on this one, you got the two-tone red and black laces. And then this one is this all black lace? Let's see. Yeah, this looks like, and then this one's like a all black lace as well. But like I said, I think I'm gonna keep it with the two-tone that it came with inside the sneaker. So inside the shoe, you know, I mean, if you've seen a Jordan 1 Union, you know the insole is like a mesh-up of just the tooling behind putting together the shoe, what goes into the shoe, the materials, things of that nature, just like a sketch. And then at the bottom here, it says Air Jordan, and it has something different. It has a Fragment sign, and then the sizing tag right there at the bottom of the heel. Fire. Yeah, these are fire, man. These are dope. On the back of the tongue, just Nike branded, made in China on the back tab right here. And that's pretty much it, man. I don't really see anything else other than that. And then the right shoe is the same as the left shoe with all the tooling. There's nothing different on the right shoe versus the left shoe. So that will conclude the review. Comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? You think this is the best pair out of the trio that dropped? In my opinion, I think this is the best pair. This is the only pair that I really wanted to go after. The Royal pair is cool. The actual Japan Fragment exclusive black and white pair is alright. But this pair right here was the one I definitely wanted because of that black toe. Color blocking is my favorite on Air Jordan 1s, and just, you know, just the red and blue hits on the back as well. I think that's pretty clean. And I love how they put this blue outsole on this pair as well. Without further ado, man, I want to go ahead and, you know, finish the video off and hop into this on feet. So if you stay to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Thank you for all the support. And yeah, this was a big one here. This is one of the cop of the year that I must have for me. So, you know, with that being said, I want to hop into this on foot. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Gone one, I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.